You'll know how to download apps on Android in this informative guide. Just move ahead to get more tips. Part 1. How to download apps on Android from Google Play Store. Open the Google Play app on your phone. Search or find an app you want. Check the star ratings and reviews under the app's title. Pick the app and tap Install or the app's price. Log into your Google account to get it on the phone. Part 2. How to download Android apps on PC via Play Store website. Open Google Play Store on desktop. Log in with Android account. Search and click app. Press Install. Choose device. Authenticate. Download on phone. Run Android apps on PC. Part 3. How to download apps on Android phone from Amazon Appstore. Open the Amazon Appstore app on your Android phone tablet. Search or browse through your desired apps. Click Get or the option with the price for a paid app. Finally, tap on Get again. Part 4. How to get apps on Android from APKMirror. Get APKMirror installer from Google Play. Visit APKMirror website. Search and browse apps. Choose app version. Scroll to all versions. If needed, tap Download next to the app. Part 5. How to download apps on Android tablet or phone from unknown sources. Swipe down from the top screen and tap Settings. Locate and touch Biometrics and Security. Tap Install unknown apps. Pick the app you'll use to download the files. Enable Allow from this source. Part 6. How to install apps on Android from computer via Assistant for Android. If you want to make it smoother and quicker, try to pick Mobikin Assistant for Android. Win and Mac to make Android application installation remotely on your computer. Install and run the software on your computer. Connect your Android phone via USB. Enable USB debugging. In the program, go to Apps, User Apps. Click Install to install apps on your device. Bonus: how to see all the apps downloaded on Android. Open Play Store. Tap 3 horizontal lines. Select My Apps and Games. Tap Installed for current apps. Choose Library for all downloaded apps. Manage apps uninstall or update.